What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another video. I know it's been quite some time that I have been on. I am back and we're still here working on my lawn in the front, trying to do some changes and make it look beautiful. In the last video that I have posted, you guys remember, all I've been pretty much doing is biostimulants. And as you can see, she is looking pretty green. Again, no fertilizer. This has been biostimulants, watering, and cutting. That's it. However, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is quite overgrown. I have not cut the lawn in about 2 weeks, and she is due for a cut. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is actually, while everybody else is out in the springtime enjoying throwing down their fertilizer, we're gonna be spraying for weeds. Yeah, you're gonna die. Oh, look at this, some clovers. You're gonna die. My lawn is green, my lawn is growing. I don't see any need to throw down fertilizer right now, but we will be spraying weeds. And what I'm going to be using today is Blindside. Blindside could take care of over 70 different broadleaves in cool season and warm season turfs. I still recommend that you check out the label to make sure that this is for your lawn. We're gonna be putting this application at the maximum amount here in my front lawn. My front lawn is infested with a bunch of weeds, different varieties, and the reason for that is because I have let and neglected my front lawn for the last maybe year and a half. Haven't really touched anything, haven't really killed anything, just been pretty much putting fertilizer, and this year we've put down pre-emergent, but apart from that I've let my front lawn go. But that's the goal that we're here to accomplish this year. Get my front lawn looking nice, get this the center of attention that it needs. Now I know what some of you are gonna say once you look at the sticker price of Blindside. Oh my gosh. Yes, I understand. But that bottle of Blindside has lasted me 2 years. So the shelf life for Blindside is 4 years total. And I've had it already for 2 years. So let's put that into some perspective. And I spray this application twice a year. And that's 2 sprays each time I spray. 1 to kill, 1 to finish off. And if we keep it at a cool, dark place, that's going to give you an equivalent of 16 sprays or more if you need it, of course. But for me, 16 sprays, and we could just divide that, 130 divided by 16 sprays gives me a total of $8, or I'll put it up here, you guys can't see it because of the sun, the reflection. $8.12 each application that I have used Blindside in. Like I said, Blindside takes care of 70 plus broadleaves, also suppresses young crabgrass and kills sedges. So at $8 a pop for 16 applications, and there you go. Again, it's an investment that you're gonna put up that one time, and I suggest it's a good investment, but it is up to you guys. I am only here to show you how it works, how to put it down, and why I feel it's an amazing product. Real quick before we go ahead and start, 2 key things here that I want you guys to really do. The very first thing is wear proper PPE. Wear pants, gloves, eye protection, mask if you need it when you're spraying any type of chemical or any type of weed killer in your lawn. The second thing that I need you guys to pay attention to here is temperature. If your temperature is above 90 degrees, hold off on spraying this chemical until either later on in the afternoon/evening or morning. Do not spray this product when it's over 90 degrees. Today we are going to go at a maximum rate for blanket spray. I'll post up here in the screen the rate that I'm going to be throwing down or spraying at, and that is a maximum amount rate for my lawn. every lawn is different. Please check the instructions when you're going to blanket spray or spot spray. This app can be used for either or. The second thing is I am going to use, and it's not necessary, but I personally like to use, is a surfactant. We're gonna put that at a minimum rate in our tank, and pretty much what a surfactant is think of it like a sticking agent, so the chemical could stick onto the leaf blade of the weed. Make sure it attaches itself so it could work in the cellular level to kill the weed in a couple of days. Final thing here, when it's all said and done, we're going to agitate, and what I mean by agitating is shake our formula, make sure everything is nice and mixed inside of our tank so we could go ahead and put down. Alright guys, so that completes our Blindside blanket spray to kill off all these weeds that I have in my front lawn. So my final thoughts for you guys: make sure you wear your PPE, make sure you read the instructions. In about 5 days you're going to see the visual response of the weeds dying off. Now sometimes Blindside works so fast that it needs a quick second application of a spot spray, but that's okay. Everything's gonna die. The turf, our grass, is going to stay alive, and that's what we want. Okay, so it's officially day 4 of the Blindside blanket spray that I did, and I am going to show you the aftermath that has happened here. There's a lot of brown spots, just beware. There's a lot of weeds that I have to try to kill, but it is definitely working. Let's take a look. Over here we got a lot of dayflower, that's all dying. See in here, let's pull one out. Gosh, there you go. Clover, almost dead. Now, in case you guys wondered if this works on hedges, here's some hedges, and you can see they're all shriveled up now. So yes, Blindside does work on nutsedge. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this was informative to you. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them down in the comment. I am out of here. I am drenched in sweats. Godly. That's because it's springtime here in Florida. The temperatures are picking up and things are getting moving. Real soon we'll be putting some fertilizer down. It just will not be today, and real soon things will be happening in my lawn that you guys should stick around for and subscribe. Thank you so much. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram at Dan the Lawnman Vlogs at Instagram. All right, thank you guys. Peace out.